is it this time? Another masterpiece in the making? Oh my god, you're exaggerating it. But it's just a dress design. And you know, I'm thinking to join another dress competition. You should, girl. Marami ka namang talent eh. And you could actually win the contest. I don't know. With my schedule and my tight budget, I don't think I can join. We'll figure it out. We always do. At saka, meron ka na bang callback kay Mr. Cabusaw about sa online jobs na sinasabi ko sa'yo? Wala pa. Pero he keeps saying na great opportunity. And nakita ko naman sa kontrata na mataas ang bayad. Basta mag-ingat ka. Meron kasi akong nasa sense na mali sa kanya. Ano ka ba? Ako lang to. Kaya ko naman yung sarili ko.
Good job. This is Mr. Reyes. Please go and I'm selling your house.
Hello, Mr. Reyes.
Well. So you're the young lady Cabusa was raving about. You're even prettier in person, you know?
Hannah, Mr. Reyes is a generous man. He's willing to compensate you well for your time.
Compensate me? Para saan?
Just for talking to him, he enjoys the company of beautiful, intelligent women.
Ha? Hindi ko po alam. Hindi naman po ito yung sinabi mo.
Don't be shy, sweetheart. It's easy money. A few hours of your time and you would make more than you would in a whole month just living in that coffee shop. Think about it.
I don't know. Parang mali na kasi ito.
Gadiano, remember what I told you. My friends are very powerful. You don't want to disappoint them. Trust me, okay?
Anong sinabi mo sa kanya? Mr. Reyes is not happy. Ang sabi niya sa akin, pinapahirapan mo siya.
Ang sabi ko lang naman, hindi ako komportable sa pinapagawa niya na hindi ito ang pinasok ko.
You listen to me. You owe me. I got you this opportunity. You don't want to mess with my friend. They're not people you want to cross.
Hindi ito yung sinabi mo. Ang sabi mo magtatrabaho ako.
You think I'm stupid? You think I didn't know what you were getting into? Don't play innocent with me.
Please, sir. Let me go. Hindi ko na gusto to. Please, pakawalan mo na ako.
You don't have choice, Gadiano. Isipin mo ang pamilya mo, ang kapatid mo. Hindi mo naman gusto na may masamang nangyari sa kanila, di ba? Gawin mo lahat ng pinapagawa ko para walang mangyari sa'yo. Naintindihan mo?
Hello. Hannah, are you okay? I'm Patrolwoman Dracolan and I'm here to help you. Is there anything happened to you? It's okay now. You're safe.
Hello? I'm Patrolwoman Dracolan. I received an information about the Janus location. We need a backup.
Morning, Mr. Draculan. I'm Investigator Domingo. Can you tell me everything about what happened here?
I received a tip about the Janus location. When I got here, I found her in that room. She's in terrible state.
Did you see anyone else in the room?
No sir, just Gadjano.
Did you touch anything in the room?
Only to take a few pictures before the police arrived, sir.
Provide those pictures to us.
Yes sir, of course.
Good morning, Mr. Cabusao. I am Investigator Domingo with my team. I have search warrant. All right, let's check everywhere where we can find anything that connects Mr. Cabusao to the trafficking.
Sir, I found his phone. This may contain evidences to the trafficking.
Okay, bag it and tag it and continue searching. Okay, confirm. Mr. Cabusao is involved in human trafficking.
Sir, hindi akin mga yan. Wala akong alam dyan.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You can seek for an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Do you understand these rights?
Mr. Cabusao, we have evidence linking you directly to the trafficking of Gadjano. We found records of payments, compromising photos. It's all adding up.
That's all circumstantial. You can prove anything. I want my lawyer.
We also have witness testimony, Mr. Cabusao, and we're analyzing your bank records. Those deposits following Gadjano's meetings paint a very clear picture. We will get justice for Miss Gadjano. We know you recruited Gadjano with false promises, then coerced her into a life of exploitation. We know you threatened her family. We know you profited her from her fame.
Hindi ko naman sinasadyang humantong sa ganun. Things go out of control.
Sino pang mga kasabot mo dito? Sino ang mga sinasabi mong kaibigan mo kay Miss Gadjano? Sino ang pinoprotektahan mo?
Hindi pwede. Papatayin nila ako.
Proprotektahan ka namin, Mr. Cabusao. Pero kailangan mo makipag-cooperate. Sabihin mo sa amin lahat ng nalalaman mo. This is about more than just you. This is about getting justice for Miss Gadjano, stopping this cycle of abuse, and preventing this from happening to anyone else. Mr. Chan, I'm Investigator Domingo. Can you please describe your relationship with the defendant, Mark Sherwin Cabusao?
I used to work with him. We were associates. I knew he was involved in some shady stuff, but I didn't know the extent of it, not until later.
Did you ever witness Mr. Cabusao recruiting young women?
Yes, I did. I saw him talking to them. promising them jobs, money. It all seemed too good to be true. He was always so charming, so convincing.
Did you ever see him threaten or coerce anyone?
Yes, I saw him went to the apartment of Miss Gadiano. He was threatening a girl's family, saying things like accident can happen. That's when I knew I had to get out. That's when I realized what he was really doing.
No further question, Mr. Chan. Your testimony provides crucial corroboration of the defendant's method and the climate of fear he created. We are here today to seek justice for Ms. Gadiano and to ensure that others are not victimized the same way. Good afternoon, Ms. Gadiano. I am Investigator Domingo. Thank you for agreeing to be interviewed. And I'm not here to pressure you. I just want to know what really happened so we can help others like you and bring those responsible to justice. Pwede mo bang isalaysay ang nangyari sa araw na yun?
Pumunta po ako sa motel sa araw na yun para po magtrabaho. Hindi ko po alam yung trabaho na yun ay pagsasamantalahan lang po ako.
Sino ang nagpasok sa iyo sa trabaho na yun?
Si Mr. Mark Sherwin Cabusaw po.
Paano mo nakilala si Mr. Cabusaw?
Nakilala ko po siya sa internet dahil po nagagandahan po siya sa design ng mga gowns ko. At nagkita po kami sa isang cafe para po sa trabaho. At hindi ko po alam na ganung trabaho pala ang ino-offer niya sa akin. Kahit hindi ko po alam yung trabaho, ay pumayag na lang po ako dahil maganda po yung sahod na ino-offer nila sa akin.
Nakakasiguro ko ba na si Mr. Cabusaw yun?
Opo, siya po ang may kagagawan nun sa akin. Siya po ang nag-exploit sa akin.
Maraming salamat sa iyong kooperasyon. Sisiguraduhin namin makakamit mo ang hustisya.